You are alone. The screen glows. Your nervous system calls that glow permission.
6 seconds of relief, paid with a full day of fog, shame, and weakness.
You swore it was over. Yet your hands move like they were remotely controlled.
That is not desire. That is conditioning. And conditioning can be rewritten.
Willpower is a candle. Bright at first, dead the moment you feel exhausted.
No heroic battle tonight. We dismantle lust, quietly, like a technician.
Your brain is not chasing love. It is chasing novelty. Unlimited novelty.
Stop being the spectator. Become the architect again, starting right now.
In nature, triggers were rare, brief, and tied to real risk and bonding.
Online stimulation is engineered. A supernormal signal your brain was never built to resist.
Animals attacked fake rivals harder than real ones when the cue was exaggerated.
Your feed is that fake rival. Brighter, closer, endless, built to win.
Dopamine is pursuit, not pleasure. It whispers, more, next, keep hunting.
Then comes the crash. Your body realizes there was no connection, only consumption.
That crash turns you numb to real intimacy and addicted to artificial intensity.
We do not resist lust. We reframe it. We poison the fantasy.
Step 1. Asubha. Strip the glamour. See biology, not mythology.
Lust survives inside blur, perfection without sweat, smell, aging, or mortality.
When the trigger hits, zoom in mentally. Skin is a thin wrapper.
Under it, muscle, tendon, veins, organs. A system, not a spell.
This is not hatred. This is reality. Restoring vision in your brain lost.
Ask the brutal question. What am I reacting to, exactly?
Light through glass, pixels, geometry. Your reptile brain mislabels it survival.
Practice outside, too. Beauty appears, then you remember bone, decay, impermanence.
The moment you do this, the soundtrack dies. The craving loses its magic.
You do not lust after a kidney. You do not lust after a lung.
You lust after packaging. Visualize the contents, and packaging becomes powerless.
Do it daily until triggers feel like toys you outgrew decades ago.
Step 2. Not self. Stop saying, I want it. Stop crowning the urge.
Language is identity's steering wheel. Your old words drive you back to relapse.
My brain is generating a compulsion signal. I'm observing it.
That sentence creates distance. Distance turns panic into a simple data point.
Your brain built a highway between stress and porn through repetition, nothing mystical.
Stress appears. The brain launches a car down that highway automatically.
The urge is not you. It is a mechanical echo of old coping.
Treat it like a scam call. Recognize the number. Decline. No drama.
No arguing. No bargaining. No, just this once. That is the trap language.
Close your eyes. Locate the sensation. Watch it like weather passing through.
It rises, it peaks, it threatens, then it fades if you do not touch it.
Freedom lives in the gap. Your job is widening that gap on purpose.
Step 3. The 10-minute surf. Cravings are intense, yet brief.
Your amygdala screams, now. It has no concept of time.
Make a contract. You may give in after 10 minutes, not before.
This is delay, not suppression. Delay breaks the illusion of urgency.
Set the timer immediately. Then choose a task that forces hard concentration.
50 push-ups, a difficult page, a plan on paper, a heavy set.
Your brain has limited bandwidth. Full focus starves arousal of oxygen.
When the timer ends, notice it. Need becomes want. Want becomes nothing.
Each surf weakens the old highway. Each surf builds a new road.
That is neuroplasticity. Gray matter recarved by repeated, boring victories.
Forget streaks. Chase repetitions. The brain believes what happens repeatedly.
Train calm refusal, not a cinematic war. Calm is what lasts.
Step 4. Transmutation. Redirect the pressure into creation, immediately.
Suppression explodes later. Conversion becomes power now. Steam into electricity.
Label the spike. Fuel. Not a problem. Fuel needs a destination.
Aim it at the gym, your craft, your business, your study, your mission.
Condition a new pairing. Arousal equals work. Arousal equals building.
Your biology learns a new rule. Create outcomes, not escapes, not tissues.
Write the script. Code the feature. Clean the room. Fix the broken thing.
That restless anxiety is a battery charging. Stop dumping the charge.
Over time, posture changes. Eyes sharpen. Confidence turns quiet, then heavy.
You become dangerous to distraction because you stop feeding the attention farm.
This is not monk cosplay. This is energy management. Energy builds empires.
Consumer dies here. Creator takes the throne without announcing it.
Step 5. Ocular fast. Relapse begins with a look, not an act.
The brain whispers, just a peek. That whisper is the opening scene.
First second is accidental. Second is a decision. Decisions create destiny.
Train the 2-second bounce. Eyes hit the trigger, then exit immediately.
Staring plants seeds. Seeds grow later, when you are lonely, tired, careless.
Guard the gate with reflex. No fear required. Just disciplined movement.
Unfollow the accounts. Clean the feed. Remove soft porn, pretending to be normal.
You do not keep vodka on the nightstand when you want sobriety.
Every bounce is a rep. Reps build automatic control without spending willpower.
Dune triggers still exist, yet they do not hook you. Nothing enters.
Zanshin for modern life. Relaxed alertness.
awareness without hunger.
You are not repressing desire. You are refusing to feed the algorithm.
Step 6. Kill the old self. Identity is the deepest trigger.
If you believe you struggle, your brain will stage evidence to prove it.
Tonight, write the addicted version of you in brutal detail, then end him.
List the habits, the excuses, the wasted hours, the secrecy, the cowardice.
Read it out loud. Feel disgust. Disgust is a boundary, never cruelty.
Destroy the paper. Burn it. Tear it. Delete it. Mark a clean break.
From this moment, you do not try to quit. You simply do not do it.
A non-smoker does not wrestle cigarettes. He feels nothing. That is power.
When the urge arrives, say, "That was the old man." Then pause.
Finish the sentence. He is dead. Do not debate with a corpse.
Put on the new identity like armor. How he sits, walks, speaks, sleeps.
He does not open incognito at 2 a.m. He protects tomorrow.
Wear that identity daily until behavior matches automatically. Effort is fragile.
Step 7. Memento Mori. Death destroys the fantasy of endless time.
Lust thrives on tomorrow, later, one last time. I'll change next week.
Each morning, before your phone, stare into the mirror. Say, I will die.
Not for drama, for clarity. Clarity makes cheap pleasure look insane.
Ask the final question. If today were your last day, would you hide?
Carry a coin, a ring, any cold object. Assign it one meaning: time.
When the urge hits, touch it. Feel the metal. Remember the grave waits patiently.
Time is the real currency. Stop paying it to pixels that cannot love you.
Your goal is not purity points. Your goal is sovereignty over your mind.
Now the warning. Success breeds complacence. Complacency leaves the door unlocked.
The parasite waits for a bad day, a lonely night, a small excuse.
Keep the weapons ready. Realism, distance, delay, conversion, identity, death awareness.
The next urge is coming. Good. That is another rep for your future self.
Choose reality over the fake model. Build a life your nervous system respects.